I'm going to show you how to now start opening up your images so you can get them ready in your collage. So what we have is you want to once again have them organized in a folder somewhere on your computer, and then probably the easiest way, or one of the ways, is just go to File and Open and locate where you have those files at. So hopefully they might be on the desktop, they might be in your pictures folder, so hopefully you have some type of setup where it works. So I'm going to go into my collage of folders and find that folder. And you can either just click on one at a time to open them up, or you can also just select on all of them. So if you click on one and then hold down Shift and then go to the very bottom one, that will highlight them all. If you want to deselect, you can press Command on a Mac or Control on a PC and then just click Open. So what that'll do, that'll open up all those images, depending on how many. I wouldn't open up more than 20. Maybe even 10 might be a little bit much too, and I might be opening up a few too many on there. So, but once you open those up, you're going to end up with quite a few windows, and it can get a little bit confusing on how to set things up. So I'm going to just click back on this little window and just go back to my home, which is my background, and it's kind of confusing to actually find where these images are. So if you go up to your project bin, you can kind of see all those different things pop in down there. So there are some other ways. You can also click on this guy and look at it in a grid. If you want to go back to single, click on there. If you don't see your project bin down there, go to Window, and you can typically reset your panel, or you can come down here to Project Bin to set that up. So now that I have my project bin open, what I think I'm going to do, I'm just going to come in here and maybe grab the ones that I think I want. So I think I want this one, so I'm just going to click and drag and bring that up into here, and then I can start placing some of these images, and every time you bring one in, it'll put it in on a separate layer. So this is a good way to kind of sort through all of your images and then start laying out your site. So just keep on clicking and dragging and pulling them in, and when you've got them, the next step will be to resize.